Hello everyone. Today we will compare Ramp and Bill, two popular expense management platforms in the world. So Ramp is a corporate card and spend management platform that offers automated expense tracking, budgeting tools, and real-time insights to help business save money. And on the other hand, Bill, formerly known as Divvy, focuses on automating financial operations, including accounts payable and receivable, with features like bill payment, invoicing, and integration with accounting software. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Ramp and Bill, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go to features comparison. So when we talk about the card types they provide, so both platforms, Ramp and Bill, offers corporate cards and virtual cards. So they're just the same. And now we talk about the expense management. So also both platforms offers automated expense categorization and receipt capture. So both are them are automated. When we talk about budgeting tools, also they are both offering real-time expense tracking and budget controls. And when it comes to integration, Ramp integrates QuickBooks, Zero, NetSuite, and Sage, while Bill offers QuickBooks, Zero, QuickBooks Online, and Salesforce. So that's it. So when we talk about the travel and perks, so Ramp offers discounts on travel and software, while Bill, same thing again. And when we talk about the reporting, both have also customizable reports and analytics. So same thing again. And when we talk about employee controls, they both set spend limits and approval workflows. And lastly, when it comes to mobile app integration, they both have mobile app in their platform and with the same comprehensive features. So yes, that's it. So when we talk about the features, both RAM and Bill are almost the same when we talk about features. So that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. So when we talk about the monthly fees, so they don't have any monthly fees. Both platforms are free platforms, and same thing with transaction fees. They don't require any fees. So as you can see in this table, same thing with international fees. They don't have for international transaction, card insurance fee, no fees also, and overdraft fees. So most of the platform is free, so you can just access them. You don't have to pay anything when using them. And yes, that's it for the pricing. So basically, they are free. So yes, that's it. So let's go to performance. So when we talk about card setup time, so both platforms is the same. So they typically card set up quick and seamless. And when we talk about the mobile app rating, Bill is quite ahead for a point ahead for RAM, which they have 4.6 out of 5 on App Store. When we talk about customer satisfaction, both platforms is generally high satisfaction ratings and transaction speed. Both are fast and they offer real time updates. And lastly, when it comes to reliability, both platforms is very reliable. So yes, same thing with performance. They are also the same. When we talk about the customer support, so when it comes to support channels, Ramp offers email, in app chat, and phone support. Same thing again with Bill. So response time, they typically respond within a day. And when it comes to availability, they are available business hours, Monday to Friday. And they also have comprehensive online resources and packs for help center. And lastly, for personalized support, they have dedicated account managers available. So same thing again for customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, and customer support. So now let's go to the pros and cons. So when we talk about the pros and cons, let's start with ramp. And when we talk about the pros of ramp, so they don't have any monthly fees or transaction fees, and the robust expense management with automated categorization. They have a real-time budget controls and analytics, They have discounts on travel and software service. And lastly, they have dedicated account managers for personalized support. And when we talk about the cons, so Ramp has limited integration options compared to some competitors. And also, they don't have physical card insurance for cash transactions. So that's it for the RAM pros and cons. So mostly for bill, it's just the same. So let's talk about the bill pros. So same thing, they don't have any monthly fees or transaction fees. They have a comprehensive expense management and budgeting tools. They integrate with a wide range of accounting software. And they have the discounts on travel and software service. And lastly, they have active community support and forums. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to its cons, so as you can see, bill is the same. They have limited support for physical cash transaction and physical checks. And lastly, they have potentially less personalized support compared to RAM. So less personalized support, but just the same. So that's it for the pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons comparison. Now let's go directly to which platform is better for you or the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Ramp. So Ramp is referable for someone who want a fee-free expense management platform with no monthly or transaction fees, someone who values strong real-time expense tracking and budget control, someone who prefer having dedicated account managers for personalized support, and lastly, someone who wants business needs met by the current integration options. So if you have all of these qualities, Ramp should be the choice for you. So now let's talk about for the people who should choose Bill or Divvy. So Bill is referable for someone who are looking for a comprehensive expense management solution with a wide range of integration. Someone who appreciate active community support and forums for additional help. Someone who needs a fee-free platform with robust budgeting tools and expense tracking. And lastly, someone who wants a highly rated mobile app and are comfortable with standardized support channels. So if you have all of this quality, Bill is the choice for you. And yeah, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, Ramp and Bill, offer powerful features for managing business expenses and corporate spending. RAM excels with its personalized support and fee-free structure, while DV or Bill, formerly known as DV, provides a comprehensive suite of integration and active community support. So consider your business needs and preferences to choose the platform that best fits your financial management strategy. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you have any question. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one.